Hello and welcome back to Cody's Radio Workshop. I'm welcoming myself back today too because I've been away at the Radio Cruncher bench for the weekend. Had an absolute blast. It was great fun and very, very nerve-wracking doing something live. I lost my train of thought several times. The pressures of doing something live are immense. Anyway, I'm back at the bench, so we're back to the hands. On the bench, we've got a Roberts R707. This was an eBay purchase. It's in quite good physical condition, needs a clean. But the problem, I believe, with it is something to do with the tuning. So I'm going to have a look and see what's what. That's all I know, is that there's a tuning problem. So let's spin it around, open it up. I already see that there's the screws missing out of the bottom, and the wires have been rerouted. Battery terminal's loose, but aside from that, it looks pretty original. If I bring you in a little bit closer, through the magic of the new camera, you can see we've still got all the old caps there on the board. I have no idea what sort of state that the LP1164 module is in, and the LP1179. I have no idea at this moment if this is a goer or not. I can already see that somebody must have had this in pieces previously. Can I get you to see? There is one of the red wires routed underneath the metal strap. So there we go. So I might be having a go at unpicking somebody else's work here, but we'll grab a couple of batteries and we'll have a look and see. Now, should I go for the batteries or should I go for the power supply? I think I'll go for the power supply first, just in case. So I'll just grab my test leads. Got the wrong probes on the end. I'm going to go with the batteries. What could possibly go wrong? One, I'll zoom you out so you can see I've got two 6-volt batteries. I have 4 R25 Panasonics, 6 volts obviously. Haven't tested these in a while, so I'll just make sure that we're switched off. Yeah, those wires are in the way of the battery tray, so I've got a little bit of rerouting to do soon. I always like to test them first, just to see what sort of issues we might have. So there's the batteries in. Let's have a go. It's scratchy volume, but we've got sound, so that's one positive thing.
Got fond memories of her childhood trips to pick fruit with her grandmother. But first, Barton, who runs Canalside Farm in Great Hayward.
Wow.
And you are one of the remaining pick-your-own fruit farms, Chris, is that right?
Hello, Jeremy. Yes, very much so. And we actually see quite a renaissance in pick-your-own.
I was not expecting that.
Had any proposal coming from the UK? The reaction from Brussels suggests both sides.
Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them.
Last night.
Yeah, I mean, oh well, I'm seeing a lot of good things about it.
I mean, yes. Here's the thing though, it really was good, but it's very hard. Good, isn't it?
I think the alignment is slightly out. Let's get back down to...
Pete, your owners, we're
no,
more
we're pretty good.
in a sort of overextended nursery, I suppose, than a farm, and Pete, your owners...
Let's have a go at medium. There we go. Nothing at all on medium. Nothing at all on long. Yeah, scratchy volume. I'll just bob the aerial back down. Oh, before I do, let's test short. Just in case. Yeah, so it looks like we've got a module down. But, path of least resistance. We'll try the switch bank first. Spin her around, just close her back up a moment. Where are we? So, that came off pretty easy. And what I'm using today is the cheap Unicarriers electrical cleaner that I picked up locally from our car boot sale, 50p a tin. So I bought all of the ones that they'd got. So I've got enough to keep me going for quite some time. I'll mash these buttons several times and work that electrical cleaner into the switches. And then let's that's VHF. We've got some hiss now on medium, and on short, bob the aerial back up. I am at full volume though. And long wave. Bit more hiss now on medium.
In the soundtracks of those events, the film Midnight Cowboy was released.
Double thumbs. No module to do.
Flew for the first time.
It's okay to be this, it's okay to cry.
रेडियो को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इसमें.
Buying a new car can be a haunting experience. Is there enough room for the little monster?
Yes. What comes as standard?
Standard? Well, alloy wheels, sat nav, aircon,
picking up on long, but that's just because of the amount of things that I've got switched on in the workshop. Let's try short. Not expecting much, it's the middle of the day, it's just past noon. But I'm pretty confident later on we should pick something up. Let me try it on the long wire. Pretty quiet on short. Go back to medium.
And eventually financial reasons.
कोई ब्रेक की तरफ लेके चलेंगे, ब्रेक के फौरन बाद.
With checkertrade.com. Showcase your business with checkertrade.com from just $69.99 a month plus VAT. Visit checkertrade.com/radio to find out more. Checkertrade.com.
Problems in Yorkshire this afternoon. The M62 is currently closed off westbound. That's between junction 31.
Well, it seems like I'm a very lucky boy there. Came to me with, the only description was it's got a tuning problem. Yeah, physically it's in good condition. It will clean up the cheeks on the side. They're pretty okay. If I strip that off and get some Danish on there, there's some scratching around that handle there. If I get some screws in the bottom, that'll stop the dial face jumping up.
Is there anyone I could call? No.
There we go. Fabulous. Nice, easy fix. It was just the switch bank. Particularly pleased with that. It didn't cost a lot of money at all. And I'm just really pleased not to have to. I might choose to, but I don't have to do the modules. So it was a simple case of lubricating the switch bank and mashing the buttons a lot of times. So I will be taking this to pieces. I have got another R707 coming up shortly that I need to restring, because that tuning on that one is definitely shot. The tuning string's definitely broken because it's hanging down in inside here. But this one, particularly pleased with. I can see. Let me just have a look at the. I will recap it, and I will probably end up biting the bullet and doing the module too, or doing the modules. There we go. Anyway, one R707, bought cheap, tuning problem, little bit of electrical cleaner, mash the buttons. Job's a good one. I'll see you shortly in the next one. Not sure what I'm going to do next. It might be the restringing on the other 707 that I've got, but I might have something a little bit different too. Catch you later.